is Rick Stevens. As resident coordinator, I represent the United Nations Secretary General in Jordan. 17 UN agencies are currently working in Jordan, and they all support Jordan and the Jordanian people to achieve human development and human security. The assistance of the UN in Jordan includes poverty reduction, promotion of democratic governance, environmental protection, assistance to refugees, education, and also rights awareness on topics related to children, women, and the disabled. The UN country team assists Jordan through the implementation of the United Nations Development Assistance Framework. This framework reflects development priorities identified together with the government of Jordan and other national stakeholders. Together with the UN country team, I am committed to continue a strong and constructive partnership with the Jordanian government and key stakeholders in the country to help Jordan meet the Millennium Development Goals.
Marhaba, I'm Al-Assaf, Poverty Analyst at UNDP, speaking on behalf of the Country Director of Jacinta Barrett. Our program of support focuses on sustainable human development by responding to development needs in alignment with the national priorities. Our theme areas cover poverty eradication and Millennium Development Goals, democratic governance, environment and climate change, and disaster risk reduction, taking into account cross-cutting issues such as capacity development and gender equality.
I'm Paolini. I'm the UNESCO representative in Jordan, the UNESCO head of office since 2009. The 1945 UNESCO Constitution states that if war starts in the mind of man, this is also where peace should be built up about. This is the vision of the United Nations, and this is the goal that leads UNESCO activities in the field of culture, in the field of communication and information, in the field of education, in the field of science and social sciences. UNESCO here in Jordan works side by side with the government and with the Jordanian National Commission for UNESCO to target the goals that are set in the national agenda.
Hi, I'm Arafat Jamal, Acting Representative for the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees in Jordan. UNHCR protects and assists refugees across the globe. Here in Amman, we work with the people and the government of Jordan to maintain a historic tradition of hospitality and generosity towards those who flee persecution and conflict. We provide emergency and community support, and we focus on the most vulnerable. We work hand in hand with the international community to ensure that the burden of hosting refugees is a shared responsibility.
Maha Al-Nuaimy, Deputy Regional Program Director and Officer in Charge for UN Women Arab State Regional Office based in Amman. Our mission is to ensure gender equality and the empowerment of women.
Marhaba, I am Ibrahim Al-Akhras, Chairperson of UNRWA Staff Union in Jordan. I have been with the agency since 1977. We started our operations in 1950. We provide education, health, relief, and social services for more than 2 million Palestinian refugees registered with UNRWA.
My name is Idris. I'm the Assistant Representative for UNFPA, the United Nations Population Fund. We work with the government, civil society and young people to strike a balance between human resources, the population and other resources, whether that's at the family, community, governorate or national level.
My name is Dominique Hyde. I'm the UNICEF representative in Jordan. The United Nations Children's Fund in Jordan works with government, civil society and the private sector to give children the best start in life. We work towards protecting children from all forms of violence. We promote access to quality education for all children. We encourage young people to participate in the decisions that will affect their lives. Together with government and civil society, we hold everyone accountable to the promises they have made to children under the Convention of the Rights of the Child.
Hello, I'm Basel Al-Yousfi. I'm the acting representative of WHO in Jordan. Also, I'm director of the Regional Center for Environmental Health Activities. We are in Jordan as WHO, which is the leading United Nations agency on health. We coordinate and we lead the health agenda around the world, including Jordan as a member state. We work with our partners who are mainly Ministry of Health and other NGOs as well as community at large in order to attain the highest level of health and public welfare.
My name is Ahmed El-Miniawy. I'm the FAO representative here in Jordan. FAO's concern mainly is food security, and FAO's mandate is to improve the levels of nutrition in member countries and improve the agricultural productivity and improve the life of rural population and contribute to the world economy.
My name is Ahmed. I'm the officer in charge for the United Nations World Food Programme. Our message is to alleviate poverty, enhance food security in accordance with the priorities of the government of Jordan. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Michael Nowicki. I'm the UNV Program Officer for Jordan. The United Nations Volunteer Program is a UN organization that contributes to peace and development through volunteerism worldwide. Our mission in Jordan is to promote volunteerism. We believe it benefits both society at large and the individual volunteer by strengthening trust, reciprocity, and solidarity, and by purposefully creating opportunities for participation.